guys, we're working on Ronnie's F150. He lost a shock. Looks like a rattling bolt came out when a bolt broke. I don't know. So there's no bushing in there. That's how these things have been done for. That sucks because I gotta go through right there to get to the top. So we'll get this one out, replace. New one's right there. Got another new one on the bench over there. So I'll probably show you guys the aftermath of everything being in. And then I gotta look for an oil leak in the front. I'm gonna double check all of the bushings and everything in the front. Well, I got it out. That thing is crusty, musty. There's the sleeve, the bushing's completely gone. So now I see why the other one broke. The bushing was completely gone, so it was literally just going dunk, 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 and it probably broke the bolt. This young man right here found me another nut and bolt.
Attaboy.
So I'm gonna go ahead and slap on the driver's side. See right there, new shock. Get the old one on the other side out. And we'll see what time it is because I have some other things unfortunately I have to do a little bit later.
Have you looked at the rest of the bushings yet? Or?
No. If you guys want to look at the front, the back's not bad. I mean, it probably makes a little bit of noise, but they're not.
You wouldn't replace the springs?
Nah.
I don't think we would need to either. But we'll go look at the front here in a bit, and then we'll try to see if we can find that oil leak too.
Yeah. So go from there.
All
right. Later. So yesterday, got the new one on that side. Got this nice beat up one out. So in a few minutes here, I'm gonna go toss this in the scrap pile. Morning. And we'll get this other one in, and then we'll do a quick inspection on this thing.
All right, down here under Ronnie's truck, got the right rear shock in and done. So both rear shocks are complete. Sorry, I'm upside down. I'm laying down here. One thing I wanted to talk about is your spare tire. I would replace this. I wouldn't drive 8 feet on this, let alone try to get home. So I'll get with you on that. I'm looking at leaf spring bushings, and they actually do not look too bad. So I wouldn't really worry too much about replacing them. They're starting to crack a little on the front ones. It's going to be barely noticeable. Replacing springs and bushings, so I'd say hold off on that for a bit, and then I will update you here on the front.